Hello, everyone. In continuation to the topic pipes and cisterns, which is a part of quantitative aptitude, this is the third part. Question number 7. A large tanker can be filled by two pipes A and B in 60 minutes and 40 minutes respectively. How many minutes will it take to fill the tanker from empty state if B is used for half the time and A and B fill it together for the other half? So solution. 1 minute work of pipe A should be 1 by 60, and then 1 minute work of pipe B should be 1 by 40. Let the time taken to fill the tanker equal to X minutes. So B is being used half the time. That means given X by 2 times 1 by 40, B is being used half the time, plus the rest of the half, that is X by 2, both the pipes are used, means 1 by 60 plus 1 by 40. So that will complete your 1. That will be equated to 1. That means here we have X, we can keep it as common, 1 by 80 plus 1 by 120 plus 1 by 80 is equated to 1. Now, this can be rewritten as X times 2 by 80 plus 1 by 120 equated to 1. 2 by 80 is nothing but 1 by 40. 1 by 40 plus 1 by 120 equal to 1, which means X times LCM for 40 and 120 is 120. So 3 plus 1 equal to 1. That means X times 4 by 120 equal to 1. That means our X will be 120 by 4, which is 30 minutes. So how many minutes? That is what we have to find. So it is 30 minutes it is going to take. Let us move on to the next question. Question number 8. 3 taps A, B, and C can fill a tank in 12 minutes, 12 hours, 15 hours, and 20 hours respectively. If A is open all the time and B and C are open for 1 hour each alternatively, then the tank will be full in dash hours. From the information provided about A, B, C, we can say 1 hour work by tap A is 1 by 12. 1 hour work by tap B is 1 by 15. 1 hour work by tap C is 1 by 20. Now, let the time taken, let the time taken to fill the tank equal to X hours, we are assuming. Now, it's a question says that A runs for all the time, whereas B and C runs for, it says, open all the time and B and C are open for 1 hour each alternatively, which means they are open for X by 2 hours only. For X by 2 hours each alternatively, which means we can write x times 1 by 12 plus x by 2 times 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20 equal to the whole work 1. So x can be taken common outside. We can have 1 by 12 plus 1 by 30 plus 1 by 40. We can rewrite this as LCM is 120. So this will be 10. This will be 4. This will be 3 equated to 1. Which means that x times 14 plus 3, 17 by 120 equal to 1. And that means x will be 120 by 7, which is, if we calculate, 120 by 17. If we calculate approximately, it will work out to 7 hours. So that is the solution of this. Let us move on to the next question. Question number 9. 3 pipes A and B can fill a tank in 6 hours. After working at it together for 2 hours, C is closed and A and B can fill the remaining part in 7 hours. The number of hours taken by C alone to fill the tank is what? So from the information provided, A and B, A, B and C, let us say, let 1 hour work by pipe A equal to 1 by x. Let 1 hour work by pipe B equal to 1 by y. Let 1 hour work by pipe C equal to 1 by z. Now, after working for together 2 hours, means 2 hour work by A plus B plus C should be 2 times 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z. Three pipes can fill a tank in 6 hours. So this 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z is nothing but 1 by 6. 2 into 1 by 6, which is nothing but 1 by 3. Now, the remaining part will be 1 minus of this 1 by 3, which is 2 by 3. So this remaining part has to be done. Now, let us do one more thing. A plus B's 7-hour work because they say A and B can fill the remaining part in 7 hours. That means A plus B's 7-hour work has to be equated to 2 by 3. Which means A plus B's 1 hour work should be 2 divided by 3 into 7 or 2 by 21. Therefore, C's 1 hour work will be A plus B plus C's 1 hour work minus A plus B's 1 hour work. That will be A plus B plus C's 1 hour work will be 2 hour work we have 1 by 3. That means 1 hour work will be 1 by 6 minus 2 by 21. That is equal to LCM will be 42. So 6 sevens are, this is 2 into 2. That means 7 minus 4 by 42, which is 3 by 42. That will give us 1 by 14, which means that C alone can fill the tank in 14 hours. That will be the solution for this.